Hi, welcome to K920 and this is Lakshmarajan with Lenovo Vibe Z2 Pro. And in this video we are going to talk about the secure mode option that comes with this phone, which basically gives two phones in one phone. Yeah. So we can have two phones within a phone. You can operate two WhatsApp, because the phone is a dual SIM phone. So you can basically have two WhatsApp account running. You can have different accounts separated, and all those things can be managed in this phone from an option called Secure Zone. So basically it's like one you can keep as an open phone, another as a private phone. You can manage your privacy and related stuffs. So in this, let's run through the setup and how do you get it going. So down the notification panel, a quick access setting, you'll find this option called Secure Zone. Let's tap on that. So it introduces you to the Secure Zone. So we have here the introduction to Secure Zone. Secure Zone allows you to configure apps, accounts, wallpapers and lock screen passwords that are different from those in the current zone. Tap on the Secure Zone icon in the status bar to quickly switch between zones and configure current zone. Press and hold the Secure Zone icon in the status bar to enter the setup interface. Then you can cross zone notification. In open zone, any notification from apps in Secure Zone will also be displayed in the status bar. A red dot appears on the notification icon to differentiate it from the notification in the current zone. Switch zones to view notification. So once basically if you are in an open zone and you are getting a notification in your account in Secure Zone, you get a notification, but it doesn't reveal the information, but it shows a notification with a red dot, so that you know that there is a notification in your Secure Zone and you can shift to the Secure Zone. And then data isolation and sharing happens with this Secure Zone, so you can secure your data. And yeah, so now let's activate the Secure Zone. Okay, Secure Zone activated. Do you want to configure it now? Let's configure it now. Okay, so you need to set the screen lock in order to protect your apps and data in Secure Zone. Set lock. Obviously when you're talking about a Secure Zone, you have to secure it by some pattern or pin or password. So let's opt for the password or pattern. So let me set this pattern. Done. So we have a secured the Secure Zone. So from open zone, none of you can get into the Secure Zone without the authentication. So now we are into the settings zone. So you can opt to start at boot option, or there is a floating button option. If you want to toggle between the open zone and Secure Zone quickly, you can have a floating button. I'll show it in the video a little later. And then configuration application in current zone. You can choose what apps you want to show it in Secure Zone, what apps has to rest in the Secure Zone. So if you want a calculator in your Secure Zone, press it on, and then you can choose the various apps which you will be required in your Secure Zone. So you can do the settings over here. You can choose what all you want to access from the Secure Zone, and when you are done with that, press the done. And now initializing the Secure Zone. Now you are in the Secure Zone. So the apps which you chose rest over here. And if I was talking about the toggle floating button, so that's over here. You can float it anywhere in the screen, and if you have to shift between the open zone and Secure Zone, you can click over here. So now we are in the open zone, and now you're getting into the Secure Zone. Since we have used the pattern authentication to get into the Secure Zone, we need to use that. So now again we are in the Secure Zone, and that's how we use. So basically, since it's a dual SIM phone, you can have two WhatsApp accounts. Any of your accounts can be in two. So when you are getting any notification from the open zone, you get the regular notification with the differentiation of a red button. It shows that there is a notification in your other area from where you are. So that's the secure zone. It helps in securing your content, helps you a bit of privacy, and helps in having two phones in one phone. That's great about this secure zone, secure mode feature that comes with Lenovo Vibe Z. Hope you enjoyed this nice little feature. It's very crucial when you want the privacy. You want two accounts, and if you have a business account and a personal account, you can manage very well with this phone. So that's about Lenovo Vibe Z security mode. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to give us a like and do subscribe to our channel. This is Lakshmarajan signing off for TechRamen.com.